Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, I'm going to share a miracle story of Astaghfar. One brother says, what I have benefited from increasing Astaghfar. I am making this post to share my experience so that people can start reciting Astaghfar and get maximum benefit. He said, I roughly doing Astaghfar 1500 to 4000 times daily throughout the day. And I started this in Ramzan. What I have experienced. So just like an other human being, I think my life has been full of struggles, from mental health to physical, from family problems to financial issues. Things got really hard, and I kind of had a epiphany a week before this Ramzan. I lost a job and I was really sick right before this Ramzan. I was born Muslim, but started actually practicing regularly 5 years ago, alhumdulillah. But this year, something I feel changed. Like I said, right before Ramzan, I lost my job, and I was really sick and frustrated with my life. Whatever I attempted seemed to never really work. And I kind of had a moment and realized that this life of mine, I don't really control. Nor can I actually change anything about my life. It used to make me feel really weak and like a loser, that I couldn't make my health issues go away, or make my bank fill up with finance, or have good relationships, or have a close family. I realized that only Allah can fix it, and I need not to worry about it, cause it's not my problem to fix, cause I can't even help myself. I saw a video on doing a lot of istighfar, and I started to do that, and I also started praying in a way I accepted whatever Allah sends, whether good or bad, and need not to concern myself with it. I made my main focus just to worship Allah. Of course, to carry out the duties with my body, but my heart is no longer connected to the outcomes. I just do my part and don't care what happens. My care has now become my relationship with Allah. In a short period of time of doing istighfar 1500 to 4000 times, I began to feel an extreme sense of contentment. I stopped worrying about my car problems. I stopped worrying about bills or whatever looming problem I had. I stopped worrying about my all issues of life because I was completely trusting in Allah. And whatever looming problem I had, I just felt like they were small issues. Another thing that happened with this istighfar is I got a new job, and that is incredibly high paying. That came literally out of nowhere. I wasn't ever looking for it. And lastly, I met a wonderful Muslimah. She is beautiful, great character, has way more money than me, and she wants to get married to me. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So it seems that when I stopped caring about the dunya, about the world, it started to care about me, alhamdulillah. And when I started istighfar, I kept saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. My all problems were solved. My all issues were resolved. And this is just because of doing more and more istighfar. So keep doing istighfar, keep asking forgiveness. May Allah bless all of us, and may Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.